And I kind of want to dive a little bit more in there, talk a little bit more about, I mean, you mentioned your workflow, but talk a little bit more about the types of tools that could help the average local business owner that just they don't have any budget, they have to do it themselves. What
Mhm.
can they do? Just the very simplistic thing, tools that they need, and what they can do to help their business.
All right. So, yes, the things that I use are tools. But for the small business owner that wants to create their own social media, I would $1,000, $1,000 for the lens. 50 to 60% of the videos that I film are on my iPhone. And I just upgraded to an iPhone 17. I've got my iPhone 13 right here that I didn't turn in because I can use it as a backup camera or a side camera. But oh, I mean, that's the tool for the people that are in the industry that are doing videos that are turning out a lot of content. I'm last year, I think we turned out over 400 videos. That's better than one a day, every day. Um, but out of that 400, sometimes I'm doing 10 and 20 a day. So if I go out on location for my big client, I'm shooting and editing 20 videos a day and getting them done. So the tools that I use are real simple. ChatGPT for script, uh, it helps me kind of not have to worry about everything. I just kind of put in my prompts. I use Descript for my voiceover. And occasionally, if I have a client that shoots their own video in their basement on their computer, I use Descript to take out the backdrop and put in a new backdrop and also adjust their eyes so that their eyes are looking at the camera if they're reading from a script. I edit in Final Cut Pro. Is it the best situation? For me, it is because I can get in and out. So it doesn't matter what tool you use as long as the tool that you're paying for is the tool that you're using.
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
when I went to buy Descript, my wife looked and she said, "It's like $400 a year." And she goes, "How often are you going to use it?" I use it almost every day.
wow, yeah.
Um, I use it on location. I use it almost every single day. Final Cut Pro, I mean, I'm using the updated version, but I've been on Final Cut Pro since version 1.0.
Yes.
So I bought it for, I think back then it was like $100. I bought it in 1999.
Yeah.
And you had a CD and you ran it from a CD. And yeah, I've been a loyal Final Cut Pro guy for many, many years.